In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Java on your Mac. So if you're trying to open a Java file you just downloaded for a Minecraft mod for example, and you get this error here, this means you don't have Java installed to your Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do just that. The first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to your search engine and search for Java JDK, and it should be the top link. If you don't find this, I will leave a link in the description below to this web page. Once you're on the Java Downloads webpage, you want to scroll down and you want to select the latest version of Java, and in this case it's Java 22. Below that you want to select your operating system, and in this case it's going to be macOS. Now it's important we download the correct version of Java for our macOS device. If you are currently using a Mac with the M Apple Silicon chip, you want to download the ARM64DMG installer. However, if you're using the older Intel chip, you want to download the X64DMG installer. Now if you're not sure which version you've got, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner of your screen, and you want to click on About this Mac. Here it's going to say chip, and it's going to tell you which chip you've currently got, and in this case I have the Apple Silicon M2 chip and not the Intel chip. So we can close out of this, and because I have the M chip we're going to download the ARM version of Java. So you want to click on the link, and then you want to find where you want to save the installer, so in this case I'm going to save it to my desktop. So now we've downloaded the Java installer, all we need to do is go ahead and open it up, and from here you just want to double click on the logo here, and this is going to open the installer in a new window. So all we need to do is click on continue, and then you want to decide where you want to install it, so in this case I'm going to install it for all users on this Mac, and here you can change your install location as well, but I recommend using it in the default location. Once you're ready, you want to click on install, and then you will need to enter your Mac password, and it will go ahead and install Java onto your Mac. Once it's completed, you want to click on close, and then you want to close out of the installer window. We also need to eject the installer from our Mac, so you want to right click on this hard drive, and you want to click on eject, and we can go ahead and delete the Java installer. Now Java has been successfully installed to our Mac. So now if we go ahead and open up a Java file, it should open up correctly just as expected. And as you can see, the Java file as expected, and I can go ahead and download and install Fabric for my Minecraft mods. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.